Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I wasn't sure which one of these were causing my acne, so I stopped both of them. The skin is finally calming down a little bit and everything's starting to clear up, but I am still getting the occasional whitehead here and there. I'm not too sure if it's the moisturizer causing the problem because I love the Vanicream, goes on really nice, no scent, very affordable. But one day at Costco, I saw this on sale, picked it up randomly. I've been using it for the past few weeks and it's been feeling really nice, and I think it's better than the Vanicream, so I'm gonna run my own experiment, apply this on half, apply this on the other half for a few days and see what happens. It's only been a few days, but this is the random yellowhead acne that I'm talking about. Still not too sure what the cause is. It could be this. I'm a little surprised my random Costco purchase has turned into my favorite facial moisturizer. I still love the Vanicream. It's been doing really well for me this past year. No complaints on it. But this one is currently on sale for $10 compared to this one is $12. And this also has a little more volume at 3.38 compared to the 3 here. I'm gonna do a quick on the skin comparison. They both feel really good and really light. I'm also noticing with the Centella, I think I'm getting less irritation because on this side, I'm getting a little redness here and here, but the Centella side looks pretty clean. The only kind of interesting thing here is the color is a light tan brown. I don't mind it too much. Looks kind of normal to me, but there is a more watery, shiny feel to it. Let me see if I could get that on camera here. So as I'm applying it, the Centella is a little bit more shiny, and I think that just means it's a little bit more hydrating. I really like the feel of it. They both feel great, no major complaints. But since this one seems to be reacting a little bit better on my skin, and I'm so excited for it, I went and I bought 2 more. Not sponsored by Centella or Costco. I would happily take either of their sponsorships. Really like both companies. But for now, video 279 done.